When people think about foreign investment in Africa, they often think of China or the United States. But another major economy has been quietly building partnerships across the continent for decades: Japan. Without dominating headlines, without making dramatic announcements, Japan has focused on infrastructure, manufacturing, healthcare, education, energy, and long-term business partnerships. So why is Japan investing in Africa? And what makes its approach different? Title card: Japan's quiet strategy in Africa. In the race for influence across Africa, Japan's approach is subtle, yet remarkably effective. Over the past 2 decades, Japan has quietly established a strategic foothold in the Horn of Africa, with Djibouti at the center of its operations. Geography is key. Djibouti sits at the gateway to the Red Sea, controlling access to some of the world's busiest maritime highways. An ideal location for Japan's interests. But Japan's presence isn't just about location. It's about investment, supporting infrastructure, logistics, and security in a region critical to global trade. Japan recognizes Djibouti's role as a trade hub, especially for landlocked Ethiopia, and has invested in projects that keep commerce flowing. Infrastructure like the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway is vital, linking Ethiopia to the sea and reinforcing Djibouti's importance to Japan's broader strategy. Few African nations offer such a strategic trade corridor. Japan's involvement ensures it remains open and secure. Japan is unique among Asian powers, maintaining a military base in Djibouti alongside the US, China, and European nations, projecting influence while focusing on maritime security and anti-piracy. This presence brings stability, encourages investment, and quietly strengthens Japan's ties with African partners. Yet, Japan understands the risks. Djibouti's fortunes are closely tied to Ethiopian trade, and regional shifts could reshape the landscape. For Japan, the challenge is to adapt, ensuring its quiet strategy remains effective as Africa's future unfolds. Imagine Africa and Japan connected by a web of shipping lanes across the Indian Ocean, a bridge between continents and opportunity. Africa's population is booming, its cities expanding, and its consumer markets are on the rise. For Japan, these trends signal more than just distant headlines. They represent a vital economic partnership in the making. Africa's natural resources, minerals, oil, and agricultural products, are essential for Japan's industries. As Japan seeks to diversify its supply chains and reduce reliance on traditional partners, Africa's resource wealth becomes increasingly attractive. Trade is only part of the story. Japanese investment is fueling new manufacturing and industrial zones across Africa, creating jobs and building infrastructure. These partnerships help Japan tap into Africa's growing markets while supporting local development. Strategic shipping routes across the Indian Ocean make Africa a key link in global trade. As Africa's consumer base expands, Japanese companies see new opportunities to export goods, invest in local industries, and secure vital supply lines. For Japan, economic diversification is crucial. By strengthening ties with Africa, Japan reduces its dependence on a handful of markets and builds resilience against global shocks. The numbers make it clear: Africa's importance to Japan is only set to grow. As Africa's population and markets expand, the partnership with Japan promises mutual growth. The question is not if Africa matters to Japan, but how this relationship will shape the future of both regions. Across Africa, a new era of connectivity is taking shape. Ports, roads, bridges, and power stations are transforming the landscape. And at the heart of this transformation is collaboration between African governments, international institutions, and partners like Japan. In Kenya, the expansion of Mombasa port has unlocked new trade routes, while Egypt's Alexandria port pulses with renewed energy thanks to international investment. New highways and bridges in Mozambique and Ghana are connecting communities, opening markets, and reducing travel times for millions. Logistics hubs and industrial parks, supported by Japanese investment, are emerging as engines of growth, linking producers to consumers across the continent. These projects are not just about infrastructure, they're about efficiency. Improved transport corridors mean faster, cheaper movement of goods and people. Financing comes from a blend of sources: African governments, international banks, and partners like Japan, working together to turn plans into reality. The question remains, can these investments keep pace with Africa's rapid growth? Can they bridge the infrastructure gap and power the continent's future? Supporters point to success stories and strategic partnerships. Critics highlight the need for sustainable financing and long-term maintenance. One thing is certain: Africa's infrastructure revolution is underway, and with continued collaboration, its promise is only beginning to unfold. Let's shift our focus to the engine of progress: manufacturing and technology. Here, Japanese companies are making a profound impact. Their investments go far beyond simple production lines. Japanese firms are at the forefront of technology transfer. They bring cutting-edge robotics, advanced machinery, and innovative processes to local industries, raising standards across the board. Workforce development is a key priority. Through training centers and on-the-job mentorship, Japanese companies help build a new generation of skilled professionals. These industrial partnerships foster innovation and long-term growth. By sharing expertise and resources, Japanese companies and their local counterparts create a foundation for sustainable development. The result? A thriving manufacturing sector, empowered by technology and global connections, driven by Japan's commitment to progress. In this new era, manufacturing and technology are not just about machines. They're about people, partnerships, and a shared vision for the future. Beyond infrastructure and trade, the Horn of Africa is witnessing a quiet transformation in healthcare and human capital. Japan's support is evident in the region's hospitals, universities, and research centers, strengthening the foundations of public health and education. Investments in medical training and vocational education are building local capacity, empowering the next generation of professionals. These partnerships foster knowledge exchange and create opportunities for sustainable growth. By investing in people, Japan's approach complements economic development, laying the groundwork for a more resilient future. As these visuals show, healthcare and human capital are at the heart of lasting progress in the Horn of Africa. Imagine a landscape transformed by clean energy, solar panels stretching to the horizon, wind turbines turning steadily, and rivers harnessed for hydropower. In this new era, Japan's interest in the Horn of Africa goes beyond traditional aid. Japan is investing in renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable infrastructure, key pillars of its broader development cooperation in the region. These projects aren't just about power, they're about empowering communities, reducing emissions, and building a resilient future. By supporting clean energy and smart infrastructure, Japan is helping the Horn of Africa leap into a new era, one where sustainability and development go hand in hand. This vision of a sustainable, interconnected region redefines what's possible for the future. Across the Horn of Africa, a new wave of opportunity is emerging, but so are significant challenges. From the bustling ports and modern city skylines to the rise of startups and expanding factories, the region is forging its own path toward economic transformation. Yet the journey is far from simple. Financing remains a major hurdle. While international investors are increasingly interested, local startups and infrastructure projects often struggle to secure the capital they need. Competition between ports and cities is fierce, driving innovation, but also creating risks of overcapacity and duplication. Local skills and expertise are growing, but there's still a gap to fill. Training the next generation of engineers, managers, and entrepreneurs is essential for long-term success. Regional integration offers huge potential. Connecting railways, ports, and markets across borders could unlock new growth. But the path forward is not without constraints. Political uncertainty, infrastructure bottlenecks, and the need for long-term investment all pose real challenges. Still, the Horn of Africa stands at a crossroads. With the right choices, it could become a powerhouse of regional trade and innovation. The future will be shaped by those who can balance ambition with resilience and seize both the opportunities and the challenges ahead. In the evolving story of Africa's future, a new chapter is being written, one defined by partnership and shared ambition. Japan's engagement with Africa is built around long-term economic cooperation, technology, infrastructure, and human development. From universities to industrial parks, these connections foster innovation and opportunity, bridging continents through knowledge and enterprise. As African economies continue to grow, these partnerships may become even more important, each project laying the groundwork for shared prosperity. The story is not about one country replacing another. It's about how diverse partnerships can contribute to Africa's development and global economic connections. The next chapter is being shaped by collaboration, its outline brightening across the map as the world watches Africa rise.